Last week, markets contended with escalating tensions in the Middle East and the subsequent rise in crude oil prices. Investors also closely monitored earnings results, particularly the ever-increasing estimates for artificial intelligence-related capital expenditures. Turning to the busy week ahead, on Wednesday, the Federal Open Market Committee will announce its latest interest rate decision. This will be Chairman Warsh's second meeting leading the Federal Reserve. We in futures markets do not expect to change the federal funds rate, although futures markets are pricing in roughly a 1/3 chance of a surprise hike. We will be closely reading the meeting statement, which the committee shortened at its last meeting, for any indication of the future path of monetary policy. Potentially more important will be Chairman Warsh's press conference. Where do he and the committee stand on inflation, the labor market, and future changes to the overnight rate and/or the Fed's balance sheet? Earnings season continues at a brisk pace this week. Investors will be particularly focused on mega-cap technology earnings releases on Wednesday and Thursday for details on AI-related capital expenditures and any potential impact on free cash flow. Finally, on Thursday morning, second quarter GDP will be released. Consensus expectations call for GDP growth of 2.3%, up from 2.1% in the first quarter. The important personal consumption category is forecasted to increase 2.3%. We will also be watching private investment data for evidence of the continued surge in AI-related investment. So items to watch this week: 1. The FOMC meeting. 2. Earnings season. 3. Second quarter GDP.
The views expressed are solely those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the views of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company or any of its affiliates. This material is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be an offer, recommendation, or solicitation to purchase or sell specific investment strategy, any security, or insurance product, and should not be construed as legal, tax, or accounting advice. Please consult with your legal or tax advisor regarding the particular facts and circumstances of your situation prior to making any financial decision. While we believe that the information presented is from reliable sources, we do not represent, warrant, or guarantee that it is accurate or complete. Many companies referenced in this content are independent third parties and are not affiliated with First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. All third-party trademarks referenced, including logos, trade names, service marks, and icons, remain the property of their respective owners. Your investments in securities and insurance products and services are not insured by the FDIC or any other federal government agency and may lose value. They are not deposits or other obligations of or guaranteed by any bank or bank affiliate and are subject to investment risks, including possible loss of the principal amounts invested. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Estimates of future performance are based on assumptions that may not be realized. This material is not a solicitation of any offer to buy or sell any security or other financial instrument or to participate in any trading strategy. Diversification does not guarantee a profit or protect against loss in a declining financial market. First Citizens Wealth is a marketing brand of First Citizens Bankshares Incorporated, a bank holding company. The following affiliates of First Citizens Bankshares Incorporated are the entities through which First Citizens Wealth products are offered. Brokerage products and services are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, FCIS, a registered broker-dealer, member FINRA, and SIPC. Advisory services are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, First Citizens Asset Management Incorporated, and SVB Wealth LLC, all SEC registered investment advisors. Certain brokerage and advisory products and services may not be available from all investment professionals, in all jurisdictions, or to all investors. Insurance products and insurance are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, a licensed insurance agency. Banking, lending, trust products and services, and certain insurance products and services are offered by First Citizens Bank and Trust Company, member FDIC, and an equal housing lender and First Citizens Delaware Trust Company. For more information about First Citizens Bankshares Incorporated, its subsidiaries, and its investment professionals, visit www.firstcitizens.com/wealth/disclosures.